Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Calluna Pharma has announced that its monoclonal antibody CAL101 has received FDA Orphan Drug Designation for the treatment of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. CAL101 targets S100A4 and is being evaluated in the ongoing Aurora trial, which is testing its ability to prevent fibroblast activation in IPF patients. This designation may facilitate expedited regulatory pathways and market exclusivity for CAL101, providing new hope for IPF treatment. Rein Therapeutics has received FDA clearance to resume its Phase 2 trial, Renew, evaluating LTI-03 in IPF. The clinical hold on the trial has been lifted, and US enrollment will restart in late 2025 or early 2026. LTI-03 is a peptide designed to target fibrosis and promote lung repair. This development offers renewed hope for a potential new treatment approach in IPF. Endeavour BioMedicines has received the European Medicines Agency's designation for its IPF therapy Taladegib. This designation, given to therapies that target unmet medical needs, accelerates the regulatory process. Taladegib is a hedgehog pathway inhibitor, and data from the Phase 2A trial demonstrated significant lung function improvements, making it a promising candidate for IPF treatment. Hanmi Pharma has signed an agreement with Boehringer Ingelheim to distribute COPD inhalers in Korea. Under this deal, Hanmi will distribute Spiriva Handihala, Spiriva Respimat, and Vahelva, which are crucial treatments for COPD. This partnership expands access to COPD therapies in Korea, where the market is valued at approximately 21.4 billion South Korean wons, enhancing competition and patient options. Otsuka has launched its Phase 3 Quantum TB trial for Quabodepistat in multi-drug-resistant tuberculosis, or MDR-TB. The trial is enrolling participants to evaluate the efficacy of Quabodepistat in both fluoroquinolone-sensitive and resistant forms of MDR-TB. If successful, Quabodepistat could provide a shorter and less toxic treatment option for this challenging disease. GSK Korea has celebrated the launch of the Nucala auto-injector in Korea. This device simplifies the administration of Nucala for patients with eosinophilic asthma and hypereosinophilic syndrome, offering a higher success rate for self-administration. The launch could significantly improve access to this therapy, which has been shown to be effective in treating chronic eosinophilic diseases. MannKind has announced the discontinuation of its Phase 3 ICON, one trial of nebulized clofazimine for non-tuberculous mycobacterial lung disease, due to futility. No sputum culture conversions were observed in the trial. However, MannKind will continue to focus on the development of MNKD-102, a dry powder inhalation formulation of clofazimine for non-tuberculous mycobacterial lung disease. CalciMedica has published preclinical data in JC1 Insight that supports its CRAC channel inhibitor CM5480 as a potential therapy for pulmonary arterial hypertension, or PAH. The study showed significant reductions in right ventricular hypertrophy and improvements in lung function when CM5480 was used in combination with existing PAH therapies. This mechanism of action may offer a novel treatment approach for PAH, particularly in combination strategies. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.